Okay, this video is to show how you can do the side exhaust modification on a LG or a Whirlpool dryer. They sell the kit for about $100, but you can do it yourself if you follow these instructions. Pull out the piece, the factory piece, and cut it to 11 inches. Make sure you keep the flared end, the one that's at the bottom of the picture. Then get a 90-degree elbow. They're only a few bucks. Tape it on there, and then you need to keep the tab that was on the other end of the straight factory piece. Tear that off with a pair of pliers. You're going to need to, with a hose clamp, put the tab back on. You'll have to fiddle with the measurement a little bit to get it just right, but put it approximately where I put mine with the hose clamp, good and tight. And then when you come to put the pipe with the 90-degree elbow into the side hole, you're going to have to bend the tab back a little bit so everything fits in the hole. And then you bend it back straight again once it's inside. And then just take a long Phillips screwdriver and put the original screw back in through the tab into the factory tab that's in the picture, and screw the whole thing down. The piece that's now going to come out the side of the dryer should be 13 inches long, and the female part should fit into the male part of the 90-degree elbow, and you should leave about 1.5 inches sticking out the side of the dryer, and then you're done.